Today we will demonstrate SUP 21C20C red light correction. First, the red light correction tool is fixed to the position of the light outlet. Next, pull out the protective lens drawer. Cover it with masking tape to keep ash out. Replace the protective lens with the D20 T5 f/60 collimation lens. Replace the lens and insert it into the protective lens drawer. Next, we turn off laser enable. Adjust the scan width to 0. Next, remove the back cover of the motor. Open the safety lock. Adjust the motor position to center the red light. After the red light is centered, lock the motor screws. Attach the back cover, disabling the safety lock. Remove the correction tool. Replace the collimation lens with a protective lens. Insert the protective lens drawer. Red light correction completed.